Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming battery type and orientation because smart locks vary. This prevents damage and wasted time. Once you have fresh cells and tools, disable auto lock and notifications so the door won't lock while you work. Remove any decorative cover or security plate now. Use a soft cloth to avoid scratches. Make sure to note the orientation of the old batteries and any wiring. These initial steps get you into the mechanism safely and set up a smooth swap without surprises. Once the compartment is open, remove batteries one at a time so you remember polarity and contact condition. This reduces misplacement and shorts. Inspect contacts for corrosion. Clean with a cotton swab and isopropyl if needed, because poor contact causes intermittent faults. Insert fresh batteries matching polarity and brand to ensure balanced discharge and stable voltage. Push firmly until contacts click. Refit any spacers and gently close the compartment, but don't fully fasten screws until you test. Once reassembled, test the lock manually and via the app to confirm power and connectivity. This verifies both mechanical and electronic function. If motor sounds weak or the lock fails to respond, reopen and check contact springs for corrosion or misalignment and reseat batteries. If problems continue, perform a soft reset per your model's procedure and try a different fresh batch of batteries. Sometimes packaging charge varies. Make sure firmware reconnects. If not, contact support with model and serial number ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.